Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Santi with STAC Trading, and I hope everyone's doing great. Now, if you're watching this and you're part of our STAC family, welcome back. And if you're new to the community, we just want to say welcome. We're really happy that you decided to check us out. Now, the purpose of this video is to basically go over our Discord platform and all of the channels that encompass it. If you're subscribed to STAC, you're pretty familiar with our live training room or maybe even our swing trading room, but we wanted to make sure that you know how to use the other resources that we make available for you all in our Discord platform. From our earnings channel to our gap up and gap down channel, we wanted to give a quick overview of the information and content that you'll be able to find in each of these channels. And just as a small disclaimer, this video is being filmed in April of 2021, so maybe at the time that you're viewing this video, there may be some additional channels or some removed, but as always, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out and ask us. So with that being said, let's jump right in. To start off, we have some rules that we want everyone in our community to abide by. You can read our rules and also our terms and conditions from our website to understand everything that we go by, and you could all see this in this channel right here. The next channel that we have that we want everybody to read is the Please Read First channel. This is where we have our trading review flyer. We hold a trading review every Thursday at 7 p.m. where you can come in and join us as we go over all the trades that we have placed throughout the week. Right? It's a great opportunity to learn. Then we have the main chat room. This channel is where all of the community members, whether they are paying subscribers or just plain community members that are not paying, we all have access to this channel to ask any questions, to put any kind of relevant stock market information. And it's a great channel just to look at every single day to see what's happening. We have a How to Leave a Testimonial channel. Here you'll find the instructions. If you ever find that you've gotten good value from us, feel free to leave us a testimonial. And here are some videos that we've recorded with our subscribers where they have positive things to say about us. Right? So one of our lead traders, Alex, he has interviewed a few of our subscribers, and you could find those videos here. We also have the blog channel. Here's where we put all of the trades that we've taken into a blog form where you guys can go ahead and click them, and you'll be able to see all the different trades that we've taken throughout that day. Then we keep going up to the YouTube content, and in this channel you'll be able to observe all the pre-market analysis and the trades of the day that we post on YouTube. So you'll be able to find all those videos here on this YouTube content channel. The recommended finance books to read is for anybody that has a good stock market book or trading book that they recommend to the community. You can go ahead and put these books here. This is a great resource, and some of these books, they're already in PDF form, so you don't even have to buy them. You just click the link and it'll take you over to read that book. Now, the research channels are extremely important. Alex wakes up every morning and updates these lists, right? These analyst notes. And what these analyst notes are is it's a way to know which stock have gotten upgrades or downgrades from specific analysts at banks. So as we can see, Acuity Brands upgraded to neutral from sell at Goldman Sachs. The target raised to $166. And this is updated on a daily basis, and it's very important, and it could put a stock in your watch list if there's good news that comes out with that analyst note. Now, gap up and gap downs, it's also a great way for you to see what stock can be in play that morning based on how much the stock is gapping up. So as you can see, we put the percentage from which the stock is moving up or moving down. Right, so we have all the gap ups, then we have gap downs and stocks that have been moving down pre-market. So this is also an excellent channel for you to be looking at to see what stocks are going to be in play for you that day. Now the earnings is where we post the earnings reports of the companies, right? and it's a great way to see a place to consolidate all the earnings reports from whatever company is reporting that day. We also post a little flyer that tells you throughout the week which stocks are the ones that we'll be looking at that are primed to announce their earnings in the specific day. We have before the market and after the market. So you'll be able to see the different times at which the stocks will be reporting their earnings. Now, economic calendar is also very important because as you are trading throughout the day, sometimes there are Federal Reserve meetings that might happen in the middle of the day. And if you are in the trade and you're not aware of these meetings, they can create a lot of volatility and you can get stuck in the wrong side of the trade. So this is where we put on a daily basis whether or not there's going to be meetings and at what time. That way you're aware of this and you don't get stuck in a bad trade while this is happening. Our chart patterns channel is a great place for you guys to become familiarized and aware of the different patterns that we look for when we're trading, right? We have the bull flag, bear flags, bull pennants, right? There's a lot of very powerful chart patterns that everyone should be aware of, and then this channel is where you will find them. Now, the Stock Alerts channel is a great channel to come and read up on to see if there's any type of catalyst or some type of big news on a specific stock or company, right? So this is a great channel as well to just come and see very specific news that comes up on a stock. Now, we also have our crypto channel. Obviously, cryptocurrencies have been very hot lately, have been something that everybody's talking about. So this channel is very active where we talk about news that's coming out, whether countries are banning it, not banning it, talking about new regulatory aspects of it, what cryptocurrencies some people are looking at, right? So it's all just people asking questions or talking back and forth, bouncing ideas. So this is a great channel also if you're interested in cryptocurrencies. Now in the subscribe now, we have a couple of links where you can go to try out our live trading room for 3 days free. And it's a great way for you to get a feel of how our live trading room works, right? You'll be able to hear us say when we're getting in and out of the plays every single morning, roughly from 9:30 to 11:30 in the morning. And people can go here, follow this link, and it'll give them access to join that live trading room for 3 days free. And then you'll make your decision from there on whether you want to continue or simply cancel that trial. Now, we also offer a Forex room where we provide entry and exit points in Forex markets throughout the entire day. It's a very active channel where there's a lot of different currencies and entry and exit prices, right? So this is also, if you're interested in Forex, you need to make sure to check this channel out. Now we have a swing trade room as well as a live trading room, like I mentioned earlier. Both of these rooms are what's included in our subscription. These do require subscriptions. That's why they have the lock on the left side of that title. And in this channel is where we provide every morning with trade ideas that can be held for more than one day. That's why we call them a swing trade. Now, the live trading room are trade ideas that happen instantly. So maybe a trade that can last 1 minute, 5 minutes, right? This is a channel where you will find that. And in the live trading room, you'll have professional traders where they will be sharing their screen and be on the microphone telling you live on the spot what trades they are getting in, and it's up to you whether or not you want to follow that trade and that plan that they are telling you in the spot. Now the STAC Academy classrooms, this is where we host our one time a week class, both for the beginner course and the stock options course. For any student that buys our course, they have access to us as the instructors to ask any questions after they have watched the videos. So you go ahead and watch all the videos that are included in your course. Then you come in once a week and ask us in the classroom any questions that you might have after watching them. It's very useful. That way you don't feel lost. We don't just throw you out there blindly while you're learning. You actually still have access to us one-on-one to ask us anything that you would like. And then we have the live webinars, voice channels, where whenever we host a live webinar, which are free to the entire community, then this is where you would come and join us while we are hosting these webinars. The open classroom, orientation room, these are just classrooms and just rooms in general that we host other events in. All right, guys, with that being said, I just wanted to give you guys a warm welcome, and I wanted to give you this brief overview of our Discord platform and all of our channels. That way you know exactly what each channel incorporates and how to use them. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and ask us, and we are very happy to have you here in our community.